I decided to come to college because, to begin with, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I studied engineering. And then I've taken that once I passed and came into games development to sort of progress a future career.
Studying the degree here, it's more local for me, so I'm saving money on travel expenses and renting a room, so I can just still live at home and do my degree. I think it's a lot more convenient for me.
I decided to come to college to change my career completely, as I was studying sports course in different school, but I just decided that I've got a passion for games and I want to continue.
My favourite part of this degree has just generally been the freedom of being able to create and pursue whatever you wanted. Obviously there's briefs and there's guidelines, but ultimately you get total control as to what you want to pursue.
The facilities at college are very well equipped. We've got industry standard software such as Maya, Unity, Unreal, Mudbox and many other software that are commonly used in industry.
College has changed me because when I came I wasn't as confident and wasn't sort of as outgoing as I am. I've made a lot of connections with people in the industry and I've expanded my portfolio of abilities and skills. Being able to represent who I am and follow what I want to do has really sort of opened me up as a person.
Going in, when I started in my level 3 course, I think I wasn't too sure on what I wanted to do in the future. I was quite directionless, but given now that I've done a course that had some programming related to it, I knew what I wanted to do, so I took the degree, which was software development, which included a lot more of that sort of work, and I'm hoping to turn it into a career as my future.
Advice, if you're thinking about coming on the course, is just follow what you want to do.